Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you and demonstrate these Maxxeon lights. These things are pretty cool. We just added them to our line and we've been testing them now for about a year. We're pretty happy and I'm ready to show you. WorkStar series of work lights from Maxxeon. All lights have rechargeable batteries, so we have all these charging cords. They all come with a recharge cord. So the first one I want to show you, which is the Inspector Max. The reason why they call this a combo is because it has two lights. So it has one on the face and then has one right here. This is a pen light, work light. It also has a magnet here. If you want to stick it to something, you can do that. Okay, that works well. It's awesome. This is great for your pocket. Put it in your pocket. You have a tool belt. You want to stick it in your lower pocket. You have the clip to hold it on there. Really awesome. Basically takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours of usage. 2.5 hours rechargeable time. It's a great lightweight inspector's light. Cyclops work light features a magnetic base. Right down here, you can see, you can set it to where you want, up here, down here. Features a magnetic base and has a 1/4-20 threaded in the base for optional tripod or suction cup mount. So basically, this does not have it, but these come with a threaded insert so you can screw it into a tripod. Okay, the light fixture has multiple light settings, so I'll show you those. So on, okay, light stays on consistently, and then I push it again, it goes brighter. So obviously brighter, you'll have less battery time, and then off. You get about 2 hours in high setting, 4.5 hours in medium, and 5 hours on low setting. 3 hours to recharge this puppy. LightStik, the good old LightStik. This one is my favorite. I love this one here. What's really nice about the LightStik is that you can adjust it. That's the bar light right there. And then of course, you get different levels of light that's brighter. And you push it again. The first one, you get a pointer. So if you're working on a car in a tight space, something mechanical, that's awesome. Or if you need just light everywhere, you turn that on and then you hit it again and it goes brighter. Has a narrow tip pendant light and a wide floodlight. This light has 2 light settings plus the top light. 2 hours high, so in the high mode, you'll get 2 hours of light time. You get 5.5 hours in the low mode, 7 hours on the top. Recharge time on this is 4 hours, and that's the light bar. Next one is the Technician. This is a handheld 3000 work light. Features a wide front light, so you can see this, and a narrow top light. So it has a top light up here, which you can see there. Okay. 7 positions tilting over 180 degrees for optimal light placement. So I can put it in many different positions. Has a magnetic base, which I just showed you. Has a rubber coating to prevent scratches, so whatever you put it on, it's not going to scratch, and a nylon hook, so you can hook it on something, like so. Okay? And the nylon hook swivels, so you can swivel it around. This work light has multiple light settings, plus the top light, 2 hours high, so if it's in high mode, like that, basically you'll get 2 hours. Medium, you get 4 hours. And for the top, and low bottom light, you'll get 7 hours. Recharge time is 4 hours on this. The Illuminator series of area lights. Industrial grade lights with magnetic base. That's this light fixture right here. They feature special lenses, LEDs, to create an ultra wide floodlight. The senior version has a USB port to charge cell phones, tablets, pen lights. This area light has 3 light settings. So your light settings are basically in the back. That's off, low, medium, high. That's your 3 light settings. When you're working in an area that it's dark, you can move it. You can set it at different degrees and angles. It has this heavy magnetic connection with a fastener. You can take this fastener off also, and you can fix it to something else. The buttons in the back and the rechargeable outlets in the back. Luminators can work with an optional tripod and make freestanding lights or a rafter plate for attaching to rafters and studs. 2-hour high, so in high mode you get 2 hours, 5 hours in medium mode, 9 hours in low mode. Recharge time is going to be 3 hours on this fixture. The technician's headlamp. This headlamp can have its battery pack hot swap, so you can swap this out for a minimum downtime. If you have 2 batteries, you just hot swap it and you're all good. Features a zoom lens, so you have a zoom lens on here with a tilt mechanism, so you can see I'm tilting it here to adjust it, the beam's position. The headlamp has 3 settings. So you have 3 different settings for high, low, and medium. It is also water resistant, includes an extension cord for repositioning the battery. So if you didn't want the battery on the clip here, you can take it off and you can put it on your belt with an extension to this cable. As well as hard hat clips. So you get the hard hat clips that come on here. So it allows you to lock it down, so when you tilt over, the band doesn't come off the hard hat. And that's the reasoning behind those hard hat clips. So it attaches it to the hard hat and they stay. You have 2 hours on high beam, 4 hours on medium, and 8 hours of use on low beam. Recharge time on this will be about 6 hours to recharge. So you get long life out of the battery use. So typically probably people use it at medium setting, so it gets you almost through the day. If you like what you see, please share my videos, subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell for be notified of new content. We publish a new video every week. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching.